how do you fix the lock actuator of the rear door of BMW 328i. This is an E90. It could be a 335, could be 325, it could be 325, 328i, 328 XI, any sedan E90, this will work. So the lock actuator, it is right here. I know there is a lot of video covering this up. Cost me almost $50 from eBay, and hopefully this is the rear left. I know the rear left, it's rare to go out, but anyways, because most of the people use this door right here. But anyways, so there's a lot of coverage, there's a lot of YouTube about like how do you change the actuator of the rear E90. The problem is just I cannot open the door whether from outside or the inside. So try doesn't want to open. So in this case you cannot open the door. So how are you gonna change the actuator? Alright, I'm just gonna cover this. It's pretty simple, guys. Of this panel right here, just make sure don't scratch it. You can go from the side. I usually do this. This is 3 tabs. This one's right here, the windows. You just pop it right there. It's this side too. There is a cable. You just have to remove it. Yeah, it's T15. Pop it right there from the bottom. Be careful you break it. So then you come to the side, right this side, from here, and then you just follow it from there. On the bottom, same thing. Oops. And then that's it. Now as you can see, it is open from the inside, and you can see the actuator right there. It's really simple. Just pull it from this side with a cable up, put it right there. This is for the speaker, the blue one. Just remove it, and then this one's a power window. That's it. So you take this on the side here, just put this away from you. Pretty simple. Alright, so here we have the door, guys. How do we gonna open it? Let's try like this way. Let me see. See, doesn't want to open. What's the problem here? This is the clip. So I'm just gonna remove this. Just pull it up a little bit this side. Take the cable out, and then you will have everything clear here. So this is the noise remover as for the cover. I forgot the name. Slowly, gently. You see that white thing inside there? We're gonna try to move that gear up. Actually, you move it down like this way. It's a rotation. So you need to push it down. Just try to push that gear down. Once you push that gear down, so then you'll be able to open it from here. Trying to show you how to move. That's the problem. You see it? That's the problem. So there is that gear, and there is this black thing right here. There's another gear, is a black one. The black one, just make sure like you pull it up, I think. Yeah. See, once you pull it up, this will move up right here. If that gear moves, then this one should go up, but this is not gonna go up because that gear is broken. That's why the door is not gonna be open. So so basically what you're gonna do, that little black thing, so just push it on the top. Once you push it on the top, this will move up, and then you're just gonna lock the door, unlock the door from the inside. From the inside there is let's see if we can get inside. See that cable right there? See the cable? So I'm just gonna try and show you guys. Open the cable. So just see that cable right there? Follow that cable, and you see that thing right there? It's in between the cable. See it? Just push that one on the top and the bottom, I think. Yeah, just push that one. My camera focus. See it? It's right here. That one. This one's right here. You push it down, right next to that white thing. You just push that one down, and boom, there we go. This is open. Now it's pretty simple. You have one screw right here, and you have two in the bottom, right here and right here. And you just remove your actuator and you just install the new one. That's the first thing. Second, we're just gonna remove the cable. See that cable right there? There's a tab on the top. We just have to remove it. So that's it, guys. So now you just have to wiggle it a little bit. Once you remove that cable, the white one that I showed you inside, you just have to pull this up like that. Okay, so the only thing that holds it is these tabs right there. It's these like cables. You see these cables right there? That's the only thing that keeps holding me from taking it out. See that one right there? So you just have to remove that thing. Okay, this is the old one, this is the new ones. Clearly you can see this is original, this is of course aftermarket. But they will do the job. It's the same process as we took it off, and that's it. So make sure this tab doesn't get in the way, because this right here, they'll make your life harder kind of a little bit. So that's it. Basically you're just gonna hook up this back, pull the light, this light right here, and then you're good to go. Only problem that you're gonna face is just this one doesn't want to hold on the hole, so you have to just put tissue or put some tape and just push it back and make it tight. Alright guys, so I put everything back. I put the 3 screws, and that's it. So let me try it right now, see how it works. That's it.